Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. Today we're looking at Friday. This is a solo game for ages 13 and up. It takes about 25 to 30 minutes to play. It's from right around 2012 originally. It's designed by Friedemann Friese, who's done some pretty interesting games. This is published by Rio Grande. And let's take a look at what is inside. Okay. So since it's a solo game, there's not going to be a whole lot of stuff to do, thankfully. So we have a component sheet in here. And it just gives you kind of an idea of the layout that you're supposed to do as well. And then there is the actual instruction book. So it's fairly long because this is a pretty complicated game and it is shockingly hard. You have to get kind of lucky sometimes on this one. I like this game. I thought it was fun, but it's incredibly frustrating because I'm really bad at it. Okay, so we've got 3 storage boards. We've got this one. Then we've got this one. And lastly, this one. And we have 22 of these, which are considered life points. And they're really just like little tree looking things. Or leaves of some kind, like palm leaves. And they're just little wooden chits to mark your life. So you get 22 of those. And then there are 72 cards. So here's your card deck. And here we've got these. There are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 different of these type of cards. These are pirate cards. And on the other side are the various pirate things that you're going to encounter. So they're all kind of the same on the back, and then you flip them over, and you have different things to go on for pirating. So, those are your 10 pirate cards. There's also 3 face cards of green, yellow, and red. Plus, there are 59 fighting cards of different types. 18 of them are going to be Robinson cards, 11 agent cards, 8 of which are normal, 3 of which are difficult, and 30 hazard cards. So let's go ahead and take a look at the cards and see what we think. See, there's a different card there. So this is the same on both sides. So let's put that aside for now and take a look at these. The card quality is really nice. They're very smooth cards. They're kind of an odd size, which can be a little annoying. There's another weak. -1 distracted. The art's pretty simplistic. There's an eating +2 life. Distracted. Weak. Distracted. Weak. Distracted. Weak. Hungry. Scared. Your highest card equals 0. Very tired. There's another scared. -2 stupid. I like that. Another stupid. A distracted. There's a -5 suicidal. There's a very hungry, 0. -4 moronic. Then we've got green card. And then the yellow card. That's your difficulty cards. Because we looked at the red one a second ago. And here we have experience. This is further exploration experience. And there's a food and further exploring the island. A realization, exploring the island. Cannibals and weapon. With the raft to the wreck. Food. Cannibals and weapon. Exploring the island and food. Exploring the island and weapon. Further exploring the island, vision. With the raft to the wreck, strategy. With the raft to the wreck, equipment. With the raft to the wreck, deception. With the raft to the wreck, food. With the raft to the wreck, strategy. Further exploring the island, realization. Weapon, exploring the island. With the raft to the wreck, mimicry. With the raft to the wreck, realization. Wild animals, strategy. Exploring the island, mimicry. Exploring the island, repeat. With the raft to the wreck, equipment. Wild animals, experience. With the raft to the wreck, book. With the raft to the wreck, food. Exploring the island, deception. Wild animals, vision. Further exploring the island, repeat. Wild animals, realization. Further exploring the island, strategy. And lastly, a -3, very stupid. So that's the deck. The cards are nice, like I said. They're pretty high quality. The pirate cards are pretty decent. The art's not bad, as you can see. Nothing particularly fancy about the game. It's pretty straightforward looking, and the game is challenging, but it's deceptive in that it looks to be very, very simple when it's actually a fairly complicated, difficult game. It's mostly just difficult to beat. Learning the rules isn't that hard. It's just difficult to beat. But that is what is inside the solo game Friday from Rio Grande Games. It usually runs around $20, and quite honestly, it's in my opinion, it's worth it if you're looking for something to challenge yourself. And because it is solo, you can play whenever. So it takes about half an hour, like I said. So you're sitting there, you're kind of bored, you want something to do. This is a good one to kind of kill a winter day or something. You know, you got a day off, don't know what to do. Crack this open and see if you can beat it. It's a really challenging game, and I like this one quite a bit. I thought it was really hard. It's just very frustrating sometimes because I'm really bad at it. So if you get a chance, check it out. That's what's inside. Hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss future openings, and we hope to see you on the next one.